Hi, we're RCDOX, and whoa, Nelly, does this plane fly fast? It needs to fly fast to keep from falling out of the sky, and to fly this plane, you gotta bring your A game. You gotta be on that ball. So here's the views of our awesome jet. Top view, bottom view, side view, front view. And back view. This plane, we were all scared that we couldn't even fly it when we took it out of the box. We thought we were gonna crash this up. Our knees were starting to get locked. In general, you gotta keep these ducted fans moving because they're there and then they're gone. You gotta be conscious that you don't get too far away that you can't see it or control it, and that happens in a second. I cannot now. It's just beautiful in the sky, and it's just an awesome plane to fly. This plane will be awesome if it flies an FPV. Go fly it out from RCDOX!